Alright, I had to go see what all this fuss is about. Everyone's talking about Trilogy. So, $84.95 mini box. Let's see what I can get. I know. Does that look good to you? First pack of Trilogy. You know what the funny thing is? I don't even know what the base cards look like. Decoy. Chase. Skinner. Anti-Nami. Theron. Fleury. Derek Roy. And Rickard Backel of $6.99. Level 1. Who the hell is he? Huh? Who the hell is Rickard Raquel? Rickard Raquel. Rickard Raquel. I think I got a redemption. I don't know. Vinny Lecavier, Brett Hall, Franzen, Everley, Bork, Stahl, Deer Collector, Ice Scripts, Cody Hodgson's. Ice Scripts, Cody Hodgson's. I don't think you guys can see that. Trilogy Ice Scripts. Crap. So, oh, Montreal. Hossa, Richards, Howardchuk, Koivu, Lars Eller, and Alex Galchenyuk. So, Star Spotlight. Montreal. Game used and event used. So, that is our hits for Trilogy.